Welcome to Philippine TVET Skills for Success. Today, we're diving into a career that literally turns digital dreams into real physical objects. You know that feeling when you see a cool digital design and just wish you could hold it in your hands? Well, if you're ready to stop imagining and start making, then you're in the right place. We're about to show you exactly how to do it. So let's talk about building a future in fabrication. This is all about a career that's right at the crossroads of digital design and actual physical creation. Think about it. You become the crucial link, the bridge between a cool idea on a computer screen and something you can actually touch and use. And yeah, that career has a name. With the right training, you could become a digital fabrication machine operator. And look, this isn't just any job. We're talking about a super important role in all sorts of cool fields, like rapid prototyping, making architectural models, even custom manufacturing. It's a big deal. Okay, so how do you get there? What's the path? Well, it's a national qualification offered by TESDA. That's the Technical Education and Skills Development Authority. And they've designed it to give you the exact skills that companies are desperate for right now. All right, here's the official title. It's called Digital Fabrication Machine Operation Level 3. But what does that really mean? In simple terms, it's all about becoming a master of the whole process, from taking a digital file to creating a real-world object. This whole qualification is broken down into 3 main parts. First, you'll learn how to handle 2D and 3D models. Then, you move on to the really critical stage, prototyping. And finally, you'll master how to actually operate the advanced machines. It's the whole journey, from file to finished product. All right, let's zoom in on the first core skill, processing designs. This is ground zero. This is where it all starts. Because before any machine even thinks about turning on, that digital blueprint has to be absolutely perfect. So what does that look like? It's basically a 3-step workflow. First, you learn to prep the design files. Step 2, you get them imported into the machine's software. And then, and this is super important, you configure all the little settings and parameters that tell the machine exactly how to create the object. Okay, so once the design is all set, we get to the next core skill, creating the prototype. Honestly, this is where the real magic happens, and you'll learn how to do it using 2 totally different but equally cool methods. You've got 2 main ways to do this. First, there's the additive process. Think of 3D printing. It builds the object from nothing, one tiny layer at a time. Then there's the subtractive process, which is the complete opposite. You start with a solid block of material and carve away everything you don't need, kind of like a sculptor, using something like a CNC milling machine. And the best part? You'll learn how to do both. So, you master these skills. What's next for you? What does it all mean? Well, think of this qualification as your personal launchpad straight into a super high-demand, high-tech career. To put it simply, this is your ticket to operating the kinds of machines that are building the future. You'll be the one turning complex digital designs into physical reality. That puts you right at the cutting edge of modern manufacturing. When you boil it all down, it comes to this one powerful idea. This isn't just about learning how to run a machine. It's about earning the power, the competency to create. So the only question left is, what will you bring to life?